Okay, when you own a wood comes great responsibility. This is what happens. Clear all this out.
Some grass on that bottom.
Hopefully,
Not bad though.
he's not dead. He looks like he's alright, doesn't he? Yeah.
And clear the grass away from the bottom. Yeah, little oak tree, it's alright.
He's alright, yeah, he looks okay.
Is that grass or is that an oak tree?
This, that's,
Or the bottom one?
that's part of it, it's the root, yeah.
Alright, okay.
So
Yeah.
we'll leave him in as well.
You want to clean that with a stick?
We haven't got many to do really, only about 2,500, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to go round.
I've done about five or six this morning.
Oh yeah. Going round. Yes, nice. Don't damage him.
So I've just tucked in because the sparrows, they've been here for 2 years, haven't they?
Yeah,
so they're
they
starting
start
to get in a bit.
Yeah.
You want to put it right in the, right down in the base
Is it?
because of
Yeah.
voles and things.
Rabbits.
Stick
Pesky
alright?
rabbits. Yeah, he's in. Okay. Right, let's go find another one.
One
One out of.
Well, did a few more. There's some that fell over as well.
So what we're going to do, if you can see this is the row here, and that's about 2 meters away. Here's another one. So if I look, you can see all the way up there. There you go.
It's probably not too bad, but
So I wasn't joking, you see. To about 2,500, possibly more. They're everywhere. So we've got to go around checking them. The pines aren't bad. It's the oaks that seem to. It's like the pine doesn't like. Well, grass doesn't like growing around pine. Let's go and check them. What I meant to say was it doesn't. The grass grows around the pine, but it doesn't seem to like coming up through it much. So that one's not too bad.
it's got it in it, but I don't know whether to disturb it or not really.
He looks alright, doesn't he?
Got it. Yeah, see?
There you go. Hold on.
Big piece there. Get rid of that. Yeah. And it's better. See if I can do it this way. Otherwise you have to twist it round and then it undoes. And it never really twists properly afterwards.
They get brittle. There we go.
Just gently. There we go. And really push it in to the bottom. Yep.
Look at that.
Bit wonky. It's okay.
Hence why we have a bit of a shed, because it's going to be a long time doing this. Where's my chain gone? Right.
Yeah. Little oak. Has it got grass growing or is it just wee?
I think it's just messy. Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's leave it.
Just give him more chance.
Rubbish out. I'm not going to go down over the oak like you did, because it's just going to rip the branches off, isn't it? So.
Oh, well, I think you can do it. You're better off, but, you know, whichever way you want to do it.
Well, I'm just looking here, yeah? No. For what it takes. Especially oaks anyway, because they are a bit precious. Yeah?
Plenty of them. We had to clear this hay away really, didn't we?
There's one there, look without any.
Yeah, he's alright.
Yeah, they seem to be alright.
As long as nobody squishes him.
In an ideal world, we wouldn't be having these plastic protectors. No. And we've got a lot of rabbits, so some good ones. Another one coming up. Yeah. Nice one growing here.
The grass might protect it a little bit in the winter as well.
Yeah.
But it's
Nice
not too
one.
cold, is it?
No.
Let's look a bit.
We've looked. We've been.
See it from the air.
You probably could, yeah. Should I do a proper full one? Might do a drone flight one of these days, the whole lot, because if you look, the one. Are these ones you planted?
No.
So we've got a very sparse amount of trees planted this side of the wood. I don't know why, is there a reason? See, very little. You can see the odd one or two. And then when you look this side, it's bloody hundreds. Okay, and then we have the dead ones, and I'll show you. Yep, he's gone totally. Never mind, I'll leave the plastic on and we'll have to replace that one. And yet there's another one there, Jane. It's only about what? Less than, well, it's 18 inches away. I might just do that. I'm going to move this one because this one's still alive. I'm going to protect that one. Bit weird. Oh, I'm going to hit the root. 2 seconds. There you go. So, lost one. There we go. That one's gone. Really? Yeah, okay. And then we move on and just keep checking each one. And as you see, we've got to go all the way up to that. And if you can see that yellow headed post over there. And then all the way down there. And then we've got a bit of an invasive species, which shouldn't actually be here. If you want, and you can leave a message in the comment down below about what you think it is. We know what it is, but I think you know what it is as well. It's quite it's spread quite a bit. Rhododendrons. I just said what it was. I just asked them to guess. I can cut that bit out. This is supposed to be, this is our holly tree, also known as the lava tree, because we put the portaloo in there at New Year's Eve. Anyway, the story behind holly trees is they're really sharp and spiky here, and when you get to head height, you go around spiky, 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 spiky. And when you start climbing up and up and up and up and up and up, so I'm 6 footy, you start getting smooth. Look. Focus on that, look at that. Oh, missed that. And then they're smooth all the way up. Oh, focus. Myth or true? Looks like it's true. Oh, some nice berries, look.